Have you ever imported a model and it came in as a bunch of surface bodies? Typically, you would have to spend hours troubleshooting why two edges did not connect because of translation issues. Or even worse, waste time waiting for your customer to send back a different file format. Well, Fusion 360 has the tools that automate the workflow for repairing troublesome surfaces. But it doesn't stop with just repairing. Fusion 360 has parametric surfacing tools to design those aesthetic surfaces that also perform a specific function. These surfaces are perfect for getting that exact continuity you are looking for, whether that surface is contact, tangent, or curvature continuous to an adjacent surface. Once you are ready to turn your body into a solid, pull out this robust tool. It's called Boundary Fill, which gives you the ability to intersect, cut, and combine all in one. This is great use case for multi-body Boolean, no matter if it's a solid body, surface body, plane, or any geometric tool you can think of. Getting the two intersecting pipe sections is kind of a challenge with traditional modeling tools. No matter what your preferred modeling approach, Fusion 360 gives you a breadth of modeling tools to make anything.